Hi! Would you like to learn the differences between the commonly confused words fun and funny? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn when to use fun and when to use funny. A lot of English learners often get the words fun and funny confused, but hopefully by the end of today's lesson, all your confusion will be completely cleared up. To begin, let's start by looking at the word fun. Fun is mostly used as a noun. Specifically, it is a non-countable noun, which means we don't tend to use articles or plural forms of this noun. Fun means enjoyment or pleasure. For example, we had fun. I hope you have fun watching my lessons. She has fun playing video games. You could see from those three example sentences that usually when we use fun as a noun, we use it together with the verb have. Have fun, has fun, had fun. Of course, we can make negative sentences too. I didn't have fun at the event. It was very boring. In English, we can use fun in another way as well. In informal English, casual English only, we can use fun as an adjective. When we use fun in this way, it means that something is amusing. It makes us feel happy. Quick tip. Remember that when you use adjectives in English, the adjective has to come after the be verb, am, are, is, was, or were, or in front of a noun. For example, reading is a fun activity. In this example sentence, reading is a fun activity. You can see that it's coming after the be verb is and before the noun activity. And you can also see that fun means it is amusing. It is allowing me to have pleasure. So, reading is a fun activity. Skating is fun. The kids had a fun time playing at the park. Exercising is not fun. Next, let's take a look at the word funny. Funny is an adjective in English and has two different meanings. The way you're probably most familiar with in using the word funny is to mean something that causes you to laugh, something that is humorous. For example, the clown was really funny. This means the clown's actions were making me laugh, so the clown was funny. My husband always tells funny jokes. Comic strips in the newspaper are funny. In my opinion, the prank was not funny. The adjective funny has another meaning in English as well. We can use the word funny to describe something that is strange or weird, something that is difficult to explain or surprising and unexpected. For example, don't you think it was funny the way he left so quickly after getting that phone call? In this example sentence, don't you think it was funny? I'm not asking the person, don't you think that was funny? No, I think it's weird. Why did he leave so quickly after getting that phone call? It's difficult to explain. It's unexpected. He wouldn't normally suddenly leave that quickly after talking on the phone. So I think there's something weird happening, something strange going on. So don't you think it was funny the way he left so quickly after that phone call? Ha! I had a funny feeling you'd be here. In this sense, it means that I had this weird feeling. It was difficult to explain. It was a little bit strange, but I just felt that this person, you, would be here. So I had a funny feeling you'd be here. Ugh. What's that funny smell? Bleh! No wonder the milk tasted funny. It expired days ago. In English, if we want to tell somebody a story about something strange or unexpected that happened to us, we will often begin that story with the English expression, "A funny thing happened the other day," and then tell about the strange experience that we had. A funny thing happened on the way to the forum. This is actually the title of a Broadway musical that I enjoy. In this title, it's interesting because the word "a funny thing happened on the way to the forum" takes both meanings of the adjective funny. It means funny as in it makes us laugh, but it also means something that was strange and unusual happened. Now that we've talked about the differences between fun and funny, I want you to be aware that sometimes we can describe something as being both fun and funny. For example, I have a friend who is a fun person and they're also a very funny person. This means that when I spend time with this friend, I enjoy our time together. I find the time we have pleasurable. They are a fun person. If I say my friend is funny, it means that they make me laugh. They are humorous and they're doing or saying something amusing that causes my laughter. So my friend can be fun and funny at the same time. I think that watching Korean dramas is fun. I have fun when I watch Korean dramas. Sometimes in the drama I will cry, but sometimes I will laugh because sometimes it is funny. So in that sense, watching Korean dramas can be fun and funny at the same time. Personally, I enjoy haunted houses. So I think haunted houses are fun. But they're not funny, they're scary. They're supposed to scare you. And many people enjoy being scared. They find it pleasurable. So for me, I'm one of those people. Haunted houses are fun. They're not funny. But if I go into a haunted house with my husband and he starts screaming like a little girl, I think that is very funny. His fear is making me laugh. So today, you learned how to use fun as both a noun and an adjective, and how to use funny as an adjective in two different ways. Now, I hope you will not get the words fun and funny confused with each other anymore. Important point to remember is that if something is just fun, it doesn't make you laugh. You are experiencing enjoyment and pleasure from that thing. And if something is funny, it's either making you laugh or you think it's strange and difficult to explain or weird or surprising. And now it's time for question of the day. Today, I have two questions for you. The first question is, what is something that you think is fun? And the second question, what is something that you find funny? Let me know your answers in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful and also hopefully fun, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.